Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to fix this error from Kyocera machines. If a Kyocera machine starts this error which says machine failure, call service C3100. That's the code, error code. So that simply means that the scanner is not moving. Okay, let me open the machine. When you open the machine, the scanner should move. You get me? But it doesn't move. So that simply means then that in some instances this could be the cause. Like someone went here and pressed this to this side. If it's like that, then do what? Push it this side. Once you put that side and close the machine, the error doesn't go away. But if you switch it off and switch on, it should go. Let me try to find the switch on and switch off. Come on, man. Yeah, the switch is here. Switch is here. Okay, I switch it on, off. So I'm gonna switch it on. You can see now it can give you a chance to make a copy, right? That's simple. If I can put this here, I will definitely make a copy. So there's no error no more. Okay, make a copy. Right, I did make a copy. A very good copy. You can see that's super fine. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. But sometimes if this is not the issue, which means you're going to have to open here and check your scanner why it doesn't move. Maybe there's something which is stuck there, something like that, but that's supposed to do with the scanner. You get me? But mine, fortunate enough, it was this. So if I bring it back, close the machine, let me try to make a copy. You see, you can hear it's forced to do things. You can see this, it's forced to do things. So now it goes back and take me here to this code. Yeah, that's good. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you in the next video. My Kyocera is EcoSys FS1135 MFP. Okay, sharp.